Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify Close CRM lead reporting and team performance, detailed guide step by step clearly. Open your Close CRM dashboard and log in with your credentials. Navigate to the Leads section in the main menu. Once inside the Leads area, filter your leads based on the desired date range. You can customize this range to analyze past performance effectively. Next, review the lead status column to identify which leads are open, converted, or lost. Click on individual leads for detailed information on their interaction history. Take note of any trends in lead progression or drop-off points. Switch over to the Reports section in the main menu to access team performance metrics. Select the relevant report type, such as lead conversion or team activity. Adjust the date range for the reports to match the filters. Review key performance indicators like conversion rates and average response times. Compare metrics across different team members to understand performance variances. Use the report's visual graphs to gain insights into overall trends in team effectiveness. If you notice discrepancies in lead reporting, cross-reference with individual team activities. Look for any gaps in communication or engagement with leads. Discuss findings with your team during your next meeting to address any issues. Prepare a summary of your insights and recommendations for future strategy. Finally, document any changes in procedures or new strategies to improve both lead management and team performance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.